all media and press people here today. It's a great honor for us to be in Dubai, to be in UAE, and have such international designers here in Dubai. Dubai is going to be, UAE is going to be the design capital of the world. Dubai is a city of gold. We are known for jewelry, and now it will be known for design. So we have 300 designers from all over the world, 31 countries who have joined into this competition. It's a world jewelry design competition, and where talented designers, not fresh designers, talented designers have competed, and they have given amazing inputs.
Yes.
And the jewelers of Middle East and India, they have manufactured those pieces. Ms.Mahima, the founder and co-founder of Wada Awards, she will brief you more about the awards.
So Wada is actually promise to designers of the industry. There is no such competition worldwide which is happening right now in Dubai, and Dubai is the global city. Everybody wants to come in Dubai, start their business. They want to live in this city. This is going to become the global city of the world. So that's the reason we wanted to have the first grand finale here in Dubai. So yes, and tonight we are going to honor the creativity, the craftsmanship of the designers we have from all over the world. From here, we have the design from Taiwan, from Switzerland, from US, and the energy in the room is so nice. You guys can feel it. So we are really, really glad to have such a nice jury member who graded all the awards, and we are more than happy to have the industry support in making this event happen here in Dubai. Thank you so much for all of you to coming here.
We want to thank a special thanks to Dr. Gaetano Cavalieri. He's the president of World Jewelry Confederation from Switzerland. They supported, because if the industry support is not there, an event, an international competition cannot succeed. So we have the support from International Colorstone Organization. We have the support from SIPJO. We have the support from Gem and Jewelry Export Promotion Council India. And we thank our associate partner, Dubai Gold and Jewelry Group, Mr. Taid Abdullah, especially for supporting this cause. Thank you so much. Any questions?
Any questions you would like to ask?
We would like to know more about the upcoming events. What is your upcoming event, so that the audience and the people
Yes.
watching you can be
Yes. After the exhibition, after the event, we are planning to have an exhibition where we are going to showcase all the winning jewelry, and that's going to be right in December. We are planning to have that, and of course, we are going to launch the second edition of Wada Awards right in December. So that's going to be coming in really after our grand finale.
So wish you the best. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you for coming.